So, good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll talk about the Laboratory 2, the structural design pattern that is given by Sir Clint. So, we have here the context or problem brief. Your team is hired to evolve a simple media player into a modular media streaming site suite that supports this type of features. The multiple media sources with its local files or HLS stream, remote API, or depending kung saan nagikan ng link. Then, on-the-fly feature plugins, subtitle rendering, audio equalizer, watermarking. Also have this composite playlist, like play single files and sub-playlists. So that means not a track. Then we have this runtime switching or rendering strategy. We have this hardware via software. Then also this remote proxying to catch streams. So you begin with an intentionally messy legacy code base provided. Take note legacy codebase provided containing a monolithic classes duplicated adaptation code for different sources and no plugin mechanisms. So your job is to refactor, ex plus extend using structural pattern and document reasoning and show it working. So uh, you have here deliverables, the source code repository, uh, Git with meaningful comments and a clear readme. A document folder containing architecture overview, UML class diagram, sequence diagram, at least two core flows, then design rationale with patterns used. Okay, so money ako ang source code for the lab 2. So we have this media player GUI. Actually, pwede siya i-GUI, pwede po na ako siya gamiton for via website. That's why doon gimanin na part. Then you have this legacy media player class. We also have this app class refactored, then documents dito architecture, design rationale, sequence diagram niya, yan. And this is the class UML na ko, kaning class god. This is my UML diagram. Then, here makita na ito gikan sa media source, naka-play siya, get source info, pababa siya diri sa local file source, kanang gikan sa laptop, HLS stream source, kanang via link, same sa remote API. Mo siya sa kuan sa adapter pattern ako. Sa decorator pattern ako is natay media player ni ah na siya'y play og get description na sub gani sub ref basta ka na siya basta mo na siya nga subclasses. Then below it's kaning basic player niya og iyang media player decorator. Under the media player decorator, since decorator man siya, na siya mag something na i-add na functionalities. So we have this subtitle, the equalizer, watermark, which is katong gipangay ganina. Then composite pattern, we have this play, kaning media item o kaning playlist, so katong by track na siya. Bridge pattern is bridging gani siya from hardware or software ba siya. So gikan siya sa rendering engine o rendering engine. Mo cater na siya diri depende asa sa duha hardware ug software kung i-cater niya ang katong media render or katong usabay gigikanan sa video. So sa via media render is dito na ma-separate ang video ng audio kaya ang sa audio ba kanabit ang equalizer no. Lahi po sa video po quality man. Since tama ta equalizer ipa-separate ang audio render. Then sa proxy nato is we have this media stream. Media stream is to siya magkuha ka ng content from real stream or sa catch code na media stream depende. Then sa atong source codes legacy by Java man siya. So nato diri sa atong code nato ay kaning audio renderer kato naga-render sa code. Basic media player naga-play, catch media stream sabay na siya sa katong kuan sige to nabitan na to sa iyo mo na to. Sabay na siya sa real-time stream nato. Then siya stream source, hardware rendering engine, mao na siya tanan dira tong code. So para makita ninyo gikuan ako siya via website. So na siya diri ang iyang mahimo is maka-upload siya og file locally or kuan, example kani, locally or via API. Nabot tayong mga sample video nato. Like for example kani siya. Ay, dire siya ma-view. This is one of our sample video. So natay kanang volume diri sa kilid, pwede nato siya na full screen or dili. So fast forward. Naa siya playback speed, downloadable. Wala din ako nakuan. So we also have this video ganina via API. And you can also upload video locally. So diri is pwede lang nimo i-click or i-drop nimo ang files diri na part in order to present your diri So we have there some media controls diri so pwede nato siya i-bridge via hardware, software. Unya natay mga different types of features diri natin subtitles, pwede nato enable subtitles, ang audio equalizer. Then we also have this watermark nato. Then there's a catching system, pwede nato siya enable to catch gud kanang kuan, to watch data streaming, video streaming ba kumbaga. Pwede ta mag-catch them or disable nato ang kanang cache niya. Then we also have playlist. So kaniyang ato diri ang nagipang-aga ni this will be our current playlist. So if ever mahuman ang isa diri the next one on the playlist will be automatically play. So diri this just shows a brief sample of showing god kumbaga sa pangitabo. So we have this available features na mag-upload og kanang local files and manage a playlist kato ganina. Toggle decorations or features, katong sa iyang subtitles, iyahang equalizer, o guban pa. Then you have the switch rendering engines, kato sa bridge pattern nato via hardware software. Enable caching for remote content, so muna sa itong proxy pattern na part. Handle multiple media sources, so namoto sa itong playlist. And real video playback with HTML5 player. So natay ka ng video playback na to diri Here. Pwede na to siya forward, pwede na to siya slow. Example.
Fix it, but I think I'm lost again. I said I'm broken. All of the pieces are shattered on the floor. And I wish I could go back to say
And this would conclude my lab 2 activity. Thank you very much.